It's just like your original seasoned chicken, but they elevate it by deep frying it in olive oil, so it's a little bit more delicate. You get like a hint of spiciness, right? Because why would it be Korean fried chicken without some kick?
In Korea, they look at chicken as more of a faster food. You can have it for delivery, you can walk in, grab it and go. So we took that same concept and we brought it over here to New York.
This is absurd. So this is just like a skillet of Korean flavors, right? So we have the joomuk-bap, which is like a seasoned rice ball, seasoned potatoes, and an assortment of stir-fried vegetables. These two would be panchan side dishes. The reason why it's called bb.q is because it really just translates to mixed rice. Normally I have really weak upper arm strength, but when it comes to mixing food, I get really, really strong.